Looking for a healthier chocolate treat for your kids? These soft chocolate cookies are made without refined flour. Start with whole wheat flour and baking powder, followed by some cocoa powder. Now add jaggery or cane sugar, followed by cold butter and milk, and mix them slowly until it forms a soft dough. The dough will be a little bit sticky, so you can just place a parchment paper and keep the dough on top of the parchment paper and just try to spread the dough using your hands as thin as possible. It can be like around 2 centimeter the thickness of the dough. And then I'm just using a chopstick just to make some desired shape. You can just go ahead with whatever shape your kid likes. I'm just cutting it in this shape. You can add some chocolate chip on top of it if your kid likes. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius until soft and done. Soft, chocolatey, and perfect for kids' snack or lunch boxes. From my kitchen to your little ones, save this recipe and follow for more.